Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. So today it's gonna be another skincare video. Let's dive into some of my absolute favorite K-beauty picks. And everything in this video is available at Stylevana. If you're already a Stylevana shopper, you know once you start, you just can't stop. Stylevana seriously has the best deals on Korean skincare. I've been ordering from this website like on repeat. And yes, before I forget, you can use my code to save anywhere from 10% to 25% at Stylevana depending on your order. I'll leave the code on screen here and in the video description down below so you don't miss it. So in this video, I'll be talking about a couple different brands from Stylevana, and all these products are perfect for hydrating, firming, pore perfecting, and a lot more. These are gonna address like different skin concerns, deliver that glow, as well as the K-beauty glass skin. So make sure you stick around. Okay, we're gonna start with Centellian 24, which has been one of my go-to brands whenever my skin needs some repair, calming, or just overall resilience. One of their hero ingredients is Centella asiatica, but their formulas feel so elevated. This is the matcha toning peeling gel. If you like physical exfoliators but want something gentle and non-abrasive, this is perfect. The gel rolls off that skin and leaving your skin super smooth and polished. It's great before makeup days because it creates the perfect canvas. For brightening, this Mela Capture Ampoule Max is such a hidden gem. It targets hyperpigmentation and uneven tone but feels gentle, hydrating, and soothing. I like using this one on areas where my sunspots tend to show up. The next one is something that's a little more unique, this Tea Tree AC Madeca powder. You can mix this one into any toner or essence when your skin is congested or acne prone. It has tea tree plus centella, so you're getting clarifying benefits without any irritation. I love adding one shake into my nighttime routine when I feel like a breakout is coming. And this is the one of best-selling products, also one of my favorites from the brand, the Madeca Cream Time Reverse. It's deeply nourishing without feeling heavy, and it gives you that healthy bounce when your skin is feeling tired or overly exfoliated. I love using this as my PM cream, especially after retinol nights. It layers so beautifully over my other products. Next up, let's move into Prem, a brand that makes minimal, safe, and barrier-friendly products. It's very clean and very calming. This is the Prem Save Me Relieve Moisture Cleansing Milk. This cleansing milk is perfect for sensitive skin dyes. It doesn't foam, it doesn't strip, it just melts everything off while leaving your skin genuinely soft. If you hate harsh cleansers or pore clogging cleansing oils, this is such a comfortable alternative. And this one is one of my favorite no-nonsense toners, the Save Me Relief Essence Toner. Only 12 ingredients, very hydrating, no fragrance, and it layers nicely. If you love a gentle prep step before serums, this one is perfect. This is the UV Defense Me No Sebum Sun Cream. If you have oily or combination skin, this cream is a dream. It controls shine, feels lightweight, and it doesn't leave a white cast. It sits very well under makeup. Next up, I have VT. It's a brand that I've been using for over a year now. It's one of my favorites. I recently tried some of their new products. I'm like so obsessed, especially the PDRN line. You know, PDRN has been making waves in K-beauty. It's such a big trend. It's known for its repairing and firming benefits for skin, and I personally love it. The VT PDRN Glow Ampoule. This is my instant glow boost when my skin looks dull or flat. It has that lightweight, silky texture that makes your face look naturally juicy without feeling oily. I really love using it in the morning because it gives that fresh, well-rested look even when I didn't sleep enough. And it layers perfectly under makeup, and it gives me that glass skin radiance on filming days. The next one is the VT R5 Firming Ampoule PDRN Seca Exozone. This one feels like a little firming treatment in a bottle. Whenever my skin looks tired or not that bouncy, This brings back that subtle snap and elasticity. The texture is a little bit richer than the glow ampule, but it absorbs super fast. I love using it at night, so I wake up looking more lifted and refreshed. Okay, this is Haruharu Wonder, another clean beauty brand from Korea. And their black rice ingredient is the ultimate skin barrier hero. I've been loving their black rice and probiotics products. All of the Haruharu Wonder products feel like very calming and hydrating, and they just deliver the healthy, radiant, glowy complexion. This black rice probiotics barrier essence is my go-to when my skin feels fragile or stressed out. It has a milky, like creamy texture that sinks in immediately and just calms everything down. Every time I use it, my skin looks softer, smoother, and less blotchy the next morning. It's one of those products you feel instantly relieved when you use it. Black Rice Night Night Retinol Serum. If you're scared of retinol, this one is such a good entry point. It's cushioned with black rice and feels gentle, but still smooths out texture and dullness overnight. I never get any irritation with it. Even when I am inconsistent with retinol, my skin always looks more refined and more useful the next day. Black Rice Bakuchiyo Eye Cream. This one is so lightweight, soothing, and perfect for days when my under eyes look puffy or tired. Bakuchiyo gives that tiny bit of firming without the sensitivity of retinol. After about a week, I noticed a smoother concealer application and less crinkling under my eyes. It's such an easy product to add into the daily routine. And Skin 1004 is also one of my favorites for the key ingredient, which is Madagascar Centella asiatica. It's known for its soothing, healing, and calming benefits for skin. A lot of their products are made with high concentration of Centella asiatica. It's great for all skin types, including sensitive skin. If you're looking for hydrating, soothing, and non-irritating skincare products, this brand is for you. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule is the calming ampule I reach for when my skin is irritated, red, or just stressed. It's watery, soothing, and feels like a reset button, especially after long filming days or travel. My skin always looks calmer or more balanced the next day. It's a staple in my routine no matter what else I'm testing. Next up, I have the Madagascar Centella Pore-Amazing Fresh Ampule. This is my good skin day ampule when my pores just look a little bit too obvious. It feels super lightweight and refreshing, and it helps my skin look smoother and more refined throughout the day. This is perfect before makeup, perfect before any other skincare treatment, because it just gives the skin that clean, fresh texture. If you have oily or combination skin, this will be great. Next up, the Centella Retinol 0.2 Boosting Shot Ampule. This is actually my second bottle. This retinol shot is super gentle but surprisingly effective. I like to mix a drop of this into my night cream on days when I want retinol without worrying about dryness, or I can just apply it as is. It smooths out texture and keeps my skin looking bright and even. It's ideal for easing into retinol or maintaining results without any irritation. Okay guys, that wraps today's K-beauty lineup from Stylevana. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really want this video to be a mix of calming, hydrating, repairing, and glow boosting products. Basically my go-to K-beauty routine for that healthy and balanced skin. If you want to pick up anything from Stylevana, I have everything linked in the video description. Don't forget to use this code to save 10 to 25% on your order. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, use the comment section down below. You can also let me know in the comments what products you want me to review next. And I will see you soon. Bye!